everyone, welcome back to Molly Builds. Since the new wave of Lego Friends came out, I got this on sale for $12.50. It was originally $19.97, and I love it! Okay, that was a bit aggressive, gruesome. 87 pieces, it's a 4+ set, and it's a camper! I love it! So let's get into this thing. So this is bag number 1. This is from Aaliyah's from bag number 2. But I want to have a look at them at the beginning of the video. So here we've got pants, Autumn's pants, and we've got Autumn's top, which is so cute. I love it. It's got little mushrooms on it. That's pretty simple. And then her face print is really cool. I also got another set on sale. Here's her hair. And I will also build that on the channel. Anyway, here's her camera, which is her accessory. And then now let's look at Aaliyah. Here's Aaliyah's pants. I just adore Aaliyah's outfit. It's so gorgeous. And you can see she's got a horseshoe brooch and another brooch. I can't make out what that is. And she's got a button down. That's a bit dodgy. That's also a bit dodgy, but that's okay. I don't really mind. And here's her face, and here's her hair, and that's awesome. And her accessory is a pale yellow or pastel yellow butterfly. So let's get right into the build. I'm sweating already because it snows today and I'm wearing winter clothing. Oh, sorry. We don't start off. We start off with this. We are making a fireplace. Well, not really a fireplace, more as just... There we go. I should have got my tripod because now I cannot see. I cannot see what I'm doing. But yes, there's some fire, so let's just take Aaliyah away because since Autumn's in this bag, I just wanted to show you the characters. Ah! Good news. Oh no, bad news, that's a tire. We get marshmallows on a stick. So we do need Aaliyah to come over and roast some marshmallows. So put your butterfly down. And let's roast them. And Autumn, put your camera down because it's the only arm you have. So you girls can roast marshmallows while I'm building. Yes, the park is in the background. You want the box to be in the background? That's more distracting. Alrighty. Now, sorry, I gotta turn my instruction sheet. And now we're working on the car. Let's not show the instruction sheet on the... Okay. So we have this printed car piece right here. Correct. And then we put these grill pieces on. Do like this. I'm gonna have to kind of go like this so I can see. And then, oh, whoa, wow, we jumped straight into the tires. So we need 4 tires to make this car go. Cargo, get it? That's a very bad pun, very bad joke, whatever it's called. So let's put, holy cow, there we go. Here's all my... There, big shot of my hand. I'm just gonna... Alrighty, what do we do now? So now we put the car's wheels on. Maybe. There we go. And now it can can go. Oh, here's the front. And now we are, see, I really needed that. Okay, but I did not do that. Here we go, just put it on the box. So now we are getting the inside of the car decked out. In the back of the car, reach over. Put these grill pieces on the back. Sorry, can't see Matt's on camera because they. And we put this pink bit at the back. Wait, did I? No, I did it correctly. Sorry, at the front. Pink bit at the front. Oh, no, that's your butterfly plants. For land's sakes, I'm not doing well. Okay, and then we put the steering wheel here. And we put this, and we have so far a fully not Autumn. Let's not. Yeah. Let's get Aaliyah to do the driving because Autumn's going to be taking pictures in the caravan. I can tell. There we go. See, it looks good. Okay, back to roasting marshmallows. Now on the back, the toe thing. My brain. Tow haul is not the name it's called because that's what you put your truck on when you're hauling a camper. Is you can put it on tow haul or thing because we have a camper. It's very tiny. It's like this little caravan camper we're building, except it But, I just don't know any terms for it. I don't know any terms. That's why I was so excited when I found this set on sale and when the set came out is because this is cool. It's not much, but it is cool. Here's the windscreen. This goes on the back, and then on the windscreen this goes. Since we have a spare red dot, I'm going to... Does that have a hole in it? No, it doesn't. Did the others? Wait, sorry, I'm breaking this car. No, they don't. Okay, I'll just put it beside the box. Now we have a car. And let's get out the stuff for bag number 2. I did cut a little slit in them so I could get all the characters out at once. Since this is small enough to build on camera. Yay! I'm so glad. Oh no, but my battery's almost dead, so hurry. Where's the next book? Where's the next book? For crying out loud, I'm stressing. There we go. Boom! Oh man, that was kind of loud. The first piece is pretty easy. Then we turn the page. And we get this back of thingamadoo. And we put white dots on it. And then we get this piece here, this curved piece, and put it on here. And it makes it neatly in. And now it says for us to put these jumper stud pieces and these flat smooth pieces across here, which is what we're going to be lining it with. And now we're making the kitchenette area. Wonder why the sink's not up here. It's like down here. It should be, oh no. It should be up here, but that's just the way they did it. I'm also confused because this is right here and the water's just going to fall onto the counter and then splash on the floor. But let's not second guess this. There's a pink mug right here. There's only one, so they have to share. But that's okay. You had to share in Pioneer Times too. Just so you know, if you know me, I am a bit Pioneer obsessed. Which is why a lot of my characters are... I changed the look of my character. She's wearing a dress, a Pioneer dress, because I'm Pioneer obsessed. okay. I mean, everyone has an obsession with something. And that's what makes them them. Oh, yeah, I also have an obsession with Legos and dogs. Mostly Legos, though. Because Legos are awesome! Legos are awesome! Legos are... Yeah, let's not. Off topic here. While I was ranting, we are building... No, wrong color. The wrong color bench seat. No, okay, I found the right pieces. A little bench seat, and it goes right in here. If you can, I'm kind of, the camera's not picking up too well. Oh my goodness. And then we have these big pieces here, and they're getting awnings, like these like minty lime green awnings. Like it's in between mint green and lime green. And but it's not pistachio. It's pistachio green. Pistachio, yeah, that's a good name. Hello, pistachio green. Oh man, I'm having troubles here today. And yeah, I just literally skipped ahead. Okay. And you got this, but it can't move quite yet, so it needs some wheels, and thankfully there are only 2 wheels to do. So you don't have to get a long look at my arm. A long look at my arm as I push these thingamajiggies into the... Ow! Goodness, careful. And then we put the wheels on the caravan. Yeah. Sadly, it will not be stable. Like, there's no, thing to put under it to stabilize it. So when it stops, it will just be forever attached to the car. But, oh my goodness! Will you look at that? Okay, let's get Aaliyah in the driver's seat. She can drive. And let's pop this off. Let's, put the marshmallow sticks inside. And let's get Autumn. She can stand up inside it. Sorry, that's obstructing your view. Let's get her with her camera trying to peer out the window. The spare pieces are flying away. Like these guys. And that's not working. That is, oh no, there we go. It worked. And then her pet butterfly on the very top. Spare pieces all the way. Ta-da! We've got the cutest little caravan. Thank you so much for watching Molly Builds. Thank you for listening to Molly go crazy tonight because, I don't know, I guess it's cabin fever, And what was that? I gotta go before I go insane. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you for another video. I'm trying not to act crazy, guys. This is me really trying. See you guys later. Bye.